So, when did you have one of these?
I would say 1972.
72.
I owned the 51 Nash Ambassador Airflight, similar to this, which I presume would be an older model.
Huh.
Because of the more streamlined rear end.
Look at that back seat, man. Nice. What do we have over here? We got a car that's shaped like a fish. Fish out of water. What I like.
Look at that jitney old
Did you see this?
Kingfish.
See that Tijuana taxi? Tijuana taxi. Man. I wonder what it is. Then you got this tow truck. Jake's Junk. I bet it might work. Got wildlife here. Hi.
Do the slim chickens in Dr. Strangelove on this kind of mount the
Yeah, get up there.
nose cone.
Ride it. Nice light.